Hi, my beautiful friends out there. Welcome back to my channel Real Ria. Now, you have already read from the title that I am going to be giving our bedroom a makeover. Today is actually my husband's birthday. Now, this video was shot on 29th August, so it was his birthday on that day. And I thought of surprising him. Now, we don't have anywhere to go in this lockdown, so I thought of bringing in that cozy ambience into our room. And so I thought of transforming this room a little bit here and there, and sort of thought of giving him a surprise. I just hope he liked the surprise. So basically, I'm not going to be doing something major. It's all little knickknacks that I'm going to be doing here and there. Now, initially, I did plan to paint the walls also, but that plan did not go well because I did not have so much time. So all I'll do now is I'll just basically shift a few things here and there, add a new things, and yeah, my room will be transformed later on. So to begin with, what I did was I actually cleaned my room. The room is not that clean at this particular moment, so what I did was I just cleaned the room. After cleaning, these are actually all the stuffs that I'm going to be inserting in my room. Now, the first thing that I'll start off is actually I'm going to change these curtains. The curtains are all matching the colors of my walls also. Now, please pardon me, friends, because this is not actually the color of my wall. This green that is coming, I don't know why my phone camera is at all not catching this paint color. It's a little bit of a light green shade, but here it's coming a little ajib, please don't mind my wall. But yeah, I'm going to be changing the curtains. Now, these curtains I have brought from Amazon. They are purely cotton, and let me tell you, these are not room darkening curtains, so it has that sheer light coming in, and I did love that thing. And one thing I did a mistake over here is that I did the curtain thing full wrong. I again had to take it out and again had to put it back.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my
Now these holes were already made, and I have put up pictures over on this wall.
Look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down.
Now on this wall I have actually sticked all of my husband's photograph. These are actually the photographs clicked by him, and I have put a wall clock also on the wardrobe. And then I'm going to be changing these little side, it's not tables actually, these are side stools that I've made as a side table. Now actually I have ordered for a side stool, but it did not arrive on time, so I had to work on with the little plastic stools only. Next I'm going to be changing this little corner of my room, and I'm going to be making this a little cozy corner. I'm adding a table lamp kind of things. I'll add some knickknacks over here, some books, some souvenirs, some Buddha, and I'm just loving this corner right now, guys.
paying so much attention. And when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Now, this is my side of the bed, and here on this side stool, I'm adding all the necessary things that I like. I'm adding a foot cream, a hand cream, a water bottle. These are all the items that I require when I wake up in the morning as well as when I go to bed.
Oh, we can still have fun for now.
And here I have added a little fairy light to it. This also I've bought from Amazon, and these are so pretty when it's lit in the dark. Now it's time to change the bedding. I have bought a new bed cover from this is also from Amazon. This is from Bombay Dyeing, and this is so pretty. This floral print is giving such a good vibe to my room. God, isn't it this pretty, guys? Please do comment in the comment section whether you loved this, or you like this, or you dislike this bed cover, because I'm just loving this bed cover right now. Now these cushion covers are actually made by a tailor. I have custom made it according to the floral print of the bedding and the pink color. I have added those pink pom-poms that you can see. This was actually customized by me. And this also matches with the seating that you find in the room. I have actually done that thing on purpose. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be changing the light, and I'm going to be taking out that dream catcher. It was lying there for so long, and I was so bored with that dream catcher on top of my bed. And here, to add a little warm and cozy vibe to the room, I have added this fairy light. This is actually a yellow colored fairy light, and it's great. It gives such a warm and cozy feeling when I lit it up at the night, and we both enjoy, gossiping, watching movies, and it's great. And now this is the final result of my cleaning and arranging and all sort of stuffs, and I am just so loving this right now. And I couldn't record my husband's reaction because the battery died on my phone, and I couldn't shoot that part, but yeah, he was so excited to see the surprise. And everyone in our family loved this, and I'm so happy that it turned out so warm, so cozy. It's such a lovely thing that's happened over here. And I'm so proud of myself that I did it within 2 hours, I think. And I'm so happy. Please, guys, do comment in the comment section, how did you like my room transformation? I hope that you like this. If you like this, please comment below how you liked it. And this is how my cozy corner is looking in the room. Oh my god, I'm so excited to, I'll sit here and I'll read books. And this is the favorite wall, I think, of my husband's. He keeps on staring at this wall for long. Now, thank you so much for guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.